Alright, hello class. Today I'm going to be giving y'all a tutorial on how to use the Canva website. This is the website that I'm recommending y'all use during our PBL unit. Again, y'all do have a lot of freedom on what y'all choose to create, whether it's a drawing, an image, a video, but this is the website that I'm recommending that y'all use for that. So to start us off, I'm going to click up here where it says create a design. And I'm going to show y'all how to do a video, but look at all these different options it gives you. It gives presentation, whiteboard, flyer, poster, all of those. Y'all can mess around with this, okay? But I'm going to show y'all how to use a video for this tutorial. So I'm going to click on video, and it's going to open up a blank white screen. It's going to be our first slide, okay? To start us off, I'm going to click over here where it says uploads. There's a little cloud icon. And I already have my images and videos imported that I want to use for this tutorial, but if y'all do have photos or videos that y'all want imported from your device, you're going to click up here where it says upload files, and it's going to pull up all the things that you have saved on your device. I'm going to use this as my first image, and it immediately, as soon as you click on it, it goes right onto that slide, okay? And I'm going to click and I'm going to drag, and we can make this big or small, however we want it to look on that slide. Now, maybe you don't like the background being so boring, just white, well, we can click that white border, go up here where we see this rainbow icon, click on that, and Canva actually gives you recommended colors to use based on the image that you have uploaded. So we could have chosen one of those. And we also have all these beautiful gradients down here, or these just plain solid colors. I'm going to leave it on this gradient. So to add another slide, we're going to click this plus icon down here, and it's going to pull up that same background color. If y'all want to change it, again, y'all could just come over here and pick a different color. That's completely fine. And what if y'all want to do a video? Well, we're going to go right back over to uploads. We're going to click on videos. And again, just like our images, we have to import them. So we're going to say upload files, but my video is already uploaded. So I'm just going to click on my video and it goes right onto that next slide. Now, if y'all look, y'all can see down here that this video, it's a little bit long. It's 54 seconds, so maybe we want it shorter. So I'm going to hover over the side of this video. We're going to see that little tab pop up. Once that tab's popped up, we can click it and we can drag our video, and it's going to shorten it so that it's a little bit easier to watch. It's, we can keep people's attention for longer. I think that's perfect. 49 seconds, probably better. Let's add another slide. What if y'all have a image that has a lot of text on it, like this one? Maybe we want to read it for people, or maybe we have some extra things that we want to say that didn't quite make it on the slide. Well, we can actually record ourselves right under the upload files button. We're going to see record yourself. I'm going to click on that, and you are going to see your face pop up in this bottom hand corner, guys. And if y'all don't want your face shown in the video, that is completely fine. Just click this video camera icon and you're going to say turn camera off, and then it's just going to show whatever email account you're using. That image is going to pop up instead, okay? So to record, I'm going to press this record button. It's going to give you 3 seconds to prepare, and then we can say whatever we want. How can we prevent spreading germs, yada yada yada. If we messed up, we can say done, we can say delete, and then we can try it over. If we want to listen to it back, we can click on where our face was earlier and press that play button, and then we can say what, and it'll replay it. If we do like it, we can say save and exit. If we don't like it, we can say delete. If we change our minds or we don't want to do this at all, we can click up here where it says exit studio. I'm going to exit studio because we don't need that right now. What if we want to make a drawing? Well, we have this cool feature right under the uploads icon where it says draw, and it gives you a pen, a marker, highlighter, eraser. If y'all want to upload your own drawings and just import it as a photo, that is completely fine too. But if y'all are using an iPad or an iPhone or something, you have a little bit more control over how to use these, then I think this would be a perfect place to just import a simple little drawing. I'm going to click this color, and I already have the marker selected, but we can use any of these. But I'm just going to do a simple smiley face. And we're all done. And that is how you'll use the video feature on Canva.